Best trunk-style suitcases for easy car and road trips make packing simple, organized, and stress-free. If you're tired of struggling to fit everything in your car, a trunk-style suitcase can solve that problem. These suitcases offer more space, better organization, and a strong, durable design that's perfect for travel. Whether it's a short trip or a long journey, they help you pack smarter and travel easier. In today's video, we'll show you the best trunk-style suitcases you can buy right now. Check the links in the description for the latest prices. Let's get started.
Number 1. NZBZ Vintage Luggage Set. The NZBZ Vintage Luggage Set is a stunning choice for travelers who refuse to sacrifice style for functionality. Featuring a rich, brown, crocodile-embossed finish, these suitcases evoke a sense of timeless, retro charm that stands out on any luggage carousel. The set includes 3 essential sizes, 20, 24, and 28 inches, ensuring you have the perfect capacity for everything from quick weekend getaways to extended international vacations. Crafted from durable PU leather, the hard shell construction provides excellent protection for your belongings, while the vintage trunk design adds a unique aesthetic flair. While the leather surface is beautiful, it is also designed to be lightweight enough to maneuver easily through busy terminals. If you were looking to elevate your travel style with a classic, sophisticated look that remains practical and reliable, the NZBZ Vintage Set is a top-tier investment for your collection. Number 2. Euricity Vintage and Cute Carry-On Overnight Case. The Euricity Vintage Carry-On Overnight Case is the perfect blend of fashion and convenience for the modern traveler who values character. This non-wheeled, mini leather trunk is designed for those who appreciate the beauty of a bygone era. Its wholly white finish and structured trunk silhouette make it a standout accessory for any trip. Because it is non-wheeled, it remains exceptionally lightweight, allowing you to carry it effortlessly using the included shoulder strap. It is sized perfectly for your most essential items, making it an ideal companion for overnight stays or as a carry-on for short flights. The sturdy construction ensures your belongings remain safe, while the compact profile allows it to fit in easily into overhead bins. For those who want to add a touch of treasure chest charm to their travel gear, this Euricity case is an adorable and practical choice.
Number 3. Euricity Vintage Luggage Set of 2. The Euricity Vintage Luggage Set of 2 brings a nostalgic, retro feel to modern travel without compromising on security or ease of use. Featuring a gorgeous caramel brown color and a durable zipperless hard-shell design, this set is built to last. The inclusion of a large suitcase and a matching boarding tote makes it an incredibly versatile pairing for various travel needs. One of its standout features is the integration of TSA-approved locks, which provide the security required for international flights while maintaining that classic vintage aesthetic. The smooth, rolling wheels allow you to navigate through airports with minimal effort, despite the retro trunk look. Both men and women will appreciate the sturdy construction and spacious interior, which keeps packing organized and stress-free. If you love the look of classic trunks but demand the reliability of modern, TSA-compliant luggage, this set is an exceptional choice. Number 4. Away Large Trunk Luggage. The Away Large Trunk Luggage in Cloud Gray is the ultimate solution for long-haul travelers who need maximum storage and premium protection. This 31-inch hard-shell suitcase is designed specifically to handle the demands of extended trips, offering a massive interior that makes packing bulky items effortless. Despite its impressive size, the suitcase is surprisingly lightweight thanks to its high-quality construction. The integrated spinner wheels provide a smooth 360-degree range of motion, allowing you to glide through airport concourses with ease. Safety is a top priority, as evidenced by the robust built-in TSA lock that keeps your belongings secure throughout your journey. The minimalist, matte, cloud gray finish is not only stylish, but also helps the bag maintain a sleek appearance. If you are preparing for a major international adventure and need a suitcase that combines cavernous capacity with refined durability, the Away Large Trunk is unmatched.
Number 5. Level 8 Trunk Luggages. The Level 8 28-inch trunk luggage is a sophisticated, high-performance suitcase designed for the frequent traveler who demands both durability and style. Featuring a stunning navy color with a luminous textured finish, this hard-shell case is built to resist impacts while protecting your delicate items inside. The spacious 28-inch capacity is ideal for long vacations, offering a deep trunk design that makes organizing clothes, shoes, and gear a breeze. Its smooth rolling spinner wheels ensure that even when fully packed, the suitcase remains effortless to maneuver through tight spaces or busy city streets. Safety is integrated into the design with a reliable TSA-approved lock, providing essential peace of mind for checked baggage. Lightweight, yet undeniably sturdy, the Level 8 trunk is a perfect balance of modern aesthetics and engineering, making it a reliable, high-end travel companion for any long-distance trip. Number 6. Traveler's Choice Max Porter 2 Hard-Side Trunk. The Traveler's Choice Max Porter 2 is a powerhouse of utility for those who prioritize durability and ease of movement. Crafted from a high-impact polycarbonate hardshell, this 31-inch trunk is designed to withstand the roughest airport handling while keeping your belongings shielded from impact. The sleek black exterior offers a professional and timeless look, while the deep, spacious interior provides ample room for extended travel needs. Equipped with high-quality spinner wheels, the suitcase glides effortlessly in any direction, turning a heavy load into a simple one-handed task. The lightweight design is a huge advantage for travelers who need to stay under strict airline weight limits. If you were searching for a robust, long-lasting suitcase that makes packing for lengthy international trips feel simple and stress-free, the Traveler's Choice Max Porter 2 is a smart, dependable choice for your collection.
Number 7. U.S. Traveler Born Expandable Hard-Side Luggage. The U.S. Traveler Born Expandable Hard-Side Luggage is a vibrant and highly functional option for travelers who want both reliability and high visibility. Available in a cheerful rose pink, this 30-inch suitcase is incredibly easy to spot on a crowded luggage carousel. Its rugged hard-shell exterior is built to handle the bumps and scrapes of international travel, while the expandable design offers the extra packing room you need for souvenirs or additional layers. The real star of this bag is its 8-wheel spinner system, which allows for smooth, quiet, and multi-directional movement, significantly reducing the strain on your arms and shoulders. The interior is thoughtfully laid out to maximize space, making it a favorite for long-distance trips. For those who need a sturdy, large-capacity bag that stands out in a crowd and rolls with absolute ease, the Boren series is a fantastic recommendation. Number 8. Samsonite Freeform Medium Luggage. The Samsonite Freeform Medium Luggage is a masterclass in lightweight durability. Finished in a modern white gray, this suitcase utilizes a rugged polypropylene hardshell that offers impressive resistance to scratches and impact, ensuring your gear stays protected regardless of how it is handled. Its dual 360-degree spinner wheels are engineered for a quiet, effortless roll, allowing you to navigate busy terminals with precision and grace. This medium-sized bag is airline approved, making the check-in process straightforward and stress-free. The expandable design provides the versatility needed for varied trip lengths, while the integrated TSA lock ensures your belongings are secured throughout your flight. If you value the reputation of the Samsonite brand and want a sleek, modern, and highly maneuverable suitcase that can withstand the test of time, the Freeform is the definitive choice for your next journey.
Number 9. Cool Life Hard-Side Checked Luggage. The Cool Life Hard-Side Checked Luggage is a fantastic value for those seeking a reliable, large-capacity suitcase without breaking the bank. Featuring a beautiful lake blue finish, this 28-inch suitcase is as stylish as it is functional. The hardshell exterior is built to resist the rigors of travel, while the interior is spacious enough to hold everything needed for a long international trip. Maneuvering this suitcase is exceptionally easy thanks to the responsive spinner wheels and an adjustable telescopic handle that fits your height perfectly. Safety is managed through a secure built-in TSA lock, which is a must-have for any checked luggage. This suitcase is remarkably lightweight, making it easier to lift and store compared to many other trunks in its class. For travelers looking for a dependable, easy-to-roll, and highly affordable hard-sided suitcase for their next major vacation, Cool Life is an excellent pick. Number 10. Away Large Trunk Luggage, Sea Green. The Away Large Trunk Luggage in sea green is the ideal blend of striking aesthetics and heavy-duty capacity. Designed for those who embark on long trips, this 31-inch hard-shell trunk provides an expansive interior volume that makes packing a stress-free experience. The vibrant sea green color is not only a refreshing departure from standard black or gray luggage, but it also makes identifying your bag on the belt instantaneous. Constructed from a durable material that resists cracks and drops, it offers the protection needed for long-distance transit. The inclusion of high-performance spinner wheels allows you to steer the trunk with minimal effort, even when it's filled to capacity. With a secure TSA lock and a highly organized internal compartment system, this suitcase is built for the sophisticated traveler. If you want a suitcase that makes a statement while offering top-tier protection, the sea green Away trunk is the perfect companion.
If this video helped you pick your next suitcase, hit the like button and tell us your favorite in the comments below. That wraps up our best trunk-style suitcases for easy car and road trips. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest prices and details. Thanks for watching, safe travels, and I'll see you in the next one.